Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to share my best friend's mom's recipe for Mexican corn dip. Her name is Wanda and she's probably like my second mom is what I call her. So we're going to make this today. It is a hit as an appetizer at Super Bowl parties, at any kind of get together. It is delicious and it's so simple. So I'll share the recipe down below like always, but let me show you how to make it. Okay. I am tripling this recipe because it's for a big luncheon for my whole work, so I will post the original recipe down below like always. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is 3 cans of Mexicorn, and I just bought the Green Giant brand. So since I'm tripling it, I need 9 cans, and we do want to drain these because we don't want a whole lot of liquid in our dip or it's just going to be really watery and gross. I'm just draining everything into a bowl over here because it's just easier than going back and forth between the sink and my work surface. Alright, there's our corn. Now we're going to add 1 can of black beans per recipe. So this is actually optional, but if you wanted a better ratio, you could substitute 1 can of corn for 1 can of black beans, or you can just add the can of black beans, of course drain it, to just kind of bulk the recipe out a little bit. Next up, we need 1 can of Rotel per recipe, and we're going to drain it as well. Then we need 2 cups of shredded cheese, and I purchased the Mexican style shredded cheese. So 2 cups per recipe, which means I need 6. There's 8 in here, so I'll just kind of guess. I'm actually going to use all 8 because I did add the extra cans of black beans without taking out any of the corn. Then you're going to want about, at least 3 green onions per recipe. So mine would call for 9 or so. Up next, we need a cup of sour cream and a cup of mayonnaise per recipe. So again, since I'm tripling it, I need 3 cups. And I'm just going to rough estimate these cups. That doesn't have to be perfect. And I do have a little bit more cheese and beans than normal, so these are kind of heaping cups. And you can always adjust this as you taste. And then our mayonnaise. Looks like there's about 3 cups in this container. So we'll just finish it off. So now all we need to do is mix and enjoy. Wanda suggests that you eat this with either tortilla chips, but my personal favorite that she always has at parties is Frito, like scoops. I don't like Fritos anytime but when I have Wanda's corn dip, and it's just the perfect match to this delicious dip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.